Yeah. Saathi Foundation thanks the Honorable Chair for giving it the opportunity to intervene. Saathi or Cyber Friend, as it translates, has been working towards the protection of the rights of women and children online. And to this extent, the Foundation thanks the committee for the inclusion of provisions that strengthen the fight against violence against women and children online. Saathi therefore seeks in particular measures under Article 53 to be made applicable to offences against all the offences under Section Article 6 to 16 and specifically for offences against women. And this is being emphasized particularly with respect to Clause 3G, Madam Chair, of Article 53. Article 3G presently reads only for CSAM, and it ought to be expanded to cover offences against women also. The further highlight with respect to Clause 3G is it provides for removal of content with respect to CSAM, but it does not provide a specific timeline for the removal. It merely states that it has to be expedited. A specific maximum timeline, as probably set out in some of the statutory requirements of 24 hours or less, may be a suitable addition. Saathi is also looking at the procedural aspects without which the substantive aspects may not be effective. And to this extent, it reads Article 23 and 40 together with respect to electronic evidence and seeks for a wider enabling provision in line with the Hague Evidence Convention, which is otherwise applicable only for civil and commercial litigations. The expansive provisions that are there in 40 may be further looked at in terms of enabling from the stage of investigation, collection of evidence, and online data, metadata, etc., to the stage of evidence, and particularly with respect to harmonized provisions in the mode and manner in which authentication, integrity, and non-repudiation are provided for. Saathi Foundation supports Article 27 for issuance of production orders for service providers. This is a critical right that accrues to the benefit of victims, and therefore Saathi is in support of the same. While so, it also requests that the service providers who are collecting and processing data or information pertaining to a person in a territory may also be included as part of this particular article. In this process, Saathi also seeks for checks and balances with respect to real-time collection of traffic data and interception of content data. Vicarious liability may also be strengthened to ensure the cooperation of service providers, and we thank you for this intervention.